Hi guys, this is the first tutorial series in MS Excel. So we'll learn from the basic to the advanced level in MS Excel in this tutorial. So keep watching. So as soon as we open Microsoft Excel, we see this page. Here we can see a lot of menu like Home, Insert, Page Layout. We'll study about these later in the upcoming videos. So as soon as we open the page, we see a lot of rows and columns. So these verticals are called as columns, which are named as A, B, C, D and so on. And these horizontal are named as 1, 2, 3 and these are called as rows. Wherein the intersection of rows and columns is called as cell. The cell is the place where we are going to enter our data. The unique quality about the cell is that it has an address on it. So when we click on the first cell, it is named as A1. Like A is the column and 1 is the row. So we'll name it as A1. This is very important because we have to use formulas only with these addresses. Now we'll enter some data into the cell. To enter a data, just click on the cell and enter the data, wherein I'll enter like serial number. So you can use right, left and up and down arrow keys to move the cursor. Here I'll type it as name. Okay, so here 1, 2. The other important thing here is that you need not type the numbers manually. Just select the numbers and you will get a plus sign over here so that you can drag it up to what number you want and just leave it. The numbers will be filled automatically. So we'll enter the data here. Suppose Sam, Ravi, Ajay. Okay, fine. So now here we are going to see about the columns. If suppose this is a table and you have entered data, unknowingly you have left some column without entering it, so that you no need to delete all the columns here, wherein you can insert a column. If you want to insert a column in between the serial number and the name, just click here. You can right click this and you will be getting an option to insert. It's as simple as that. The shortcut key for inserting a column here is Ctrl+, and if you want to delete a column, the opposite one, Ctrl-. Fine, I don't want this column too, so I'll delete it. So we have learned about the column. The same goes to the rows also. If you want to enter a row here, just right click on that and you can click on insert. You will be getting a row. Same way, you can press on Ctrl+ to add on a new row and Ctrl- to delete the row. So I don't want this row also. Okay, fine. So now we have seen about how to enter a data, columns and rows. Now we will see about the range of the cell. As we have learned before, the range of this cell is A1. So when we are selecting a range of cells over here, we'll see the range of cell is A1 to B8. Now we'll learn about how to insert a value. So for that we'll type in certain values over here. Okay. Here we have missed out 2. In this case, we no need to delete all the values over here and re-enter it. Instead of that, you can just click on this. You can right click on the cell. You'll be getting an option to insert, shift cells down. You click on OK. So you'll be getting an empty space over here wherein you can enter the detail. So 2, that's it. The same option can be used for shifting the cells to the right also. Just click on whatever you have to shift towards your right. Just right click on it, insert, and you'll be getting an option to shift cells right. Click on OK. Fine. You'll be getting the cells shifted towards the right. Okay, fine. Here we have studied about how to insert a value. Now we'll see how to delete a value. It's as simple as that. Just click on the cell and press the delete key in your keyboard. That's it. Now let's see about how to edit a data. So here, instead of Navina, we have entered as Naveen. So let's change it. We'll see how to change it. Just click on the cell, press A. Now we are able to see that Naveen has got replaced by A. We don't need that. Instead of that, we'll press escape and just double click the cell, or you can press F2 so that you will enter into the cell and you can type A. That's all. So now let's see about how to copy paste and cut paste the data over here. We have entered some data which has to be copied. So just select it and drag it. Just Ctrl C and place it wherever you want. Just click on the cell and press Ctrl V so that the data gets copied over here. Now you will be able to see the dotted lines. Just press escape button so that it will be released out. The same goes for cut and paste also. Just select the cell, drag it, Ctrl X, and you can place it wherever you want. Now let's see about how to store an extra information about the data without showing it in the Excel sheet. Suppose if Ram's age is 20, but this data should not be shown in the Excel sheet, but it should be present in the sheet. So there is an option to comment this. Just we'll cut this and you can select the cell, right click on it. You'll be getting an option to insert comment and you can paste the data over here. So when you move the cursor away from it, you'll not be able to see the data. When you move over the name Ram, you'll be able to see the age is 20, which can also be deleted. The comment can be deleted by just right clicking on the cell and you'll be getting an option to delete a comment. Just click on it, the comment will be deleted. That's it. So now we have learnt about the very basics of MS Excel. I think you will be clear about the basics. So we'll learn some advanced techniques in the further videos. Thank you.